Well, as people, as humans here, we know the importance of taking care of our teeth. We brush at least twice a day. You got to floss too.
Absolutely, but now imagine not being able to brush your own teeth, right? And then never getting a cleaning. It sounds pretty gross, right?
It does.
Yeah, that's what happens to our pets.
Gross.
Poor pets.
That's gross.
That is gross.
So why is pet dental care so important from Good Samaritan Pet Doctor, Dr. Kristen Engel? Good to see you.
Welcome.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank
This
you.
is really important. And when you February is, I think it's National Pet Dental Health Month.
That's right.
So it's a good time to address some of these topics.
Yep.
Dental care for pets. It is important for most of our dogs.
Yep. So a lot of people will brush their pets' teeth. Dogs and cats will tolerate it. They have flavored toothpaste, chicken and tuna flavored.
Oh, hold on.
Right? That's
That
killing me.
sounds so gross. I mean, obviously the pets love it.
Exactly.
I'm just picturing, can you imagine as a human having to, okay.
Yeah, definitely different types of products for sure. But as much as we can, keep their teeth clean. So brushing regularly, getting in for dental cleanings on a regular basis, which is what we do. We'll completely anesthetize that patient, clean their teeth, x-ray the teeth just like you would get at your dentist. And really try to stay up before disease develops.
Yep.
And so, is it popular for dogs to, end up having diseases in their mouth because they're not being taken care of?
Yeah, it's actually really common. So imagine if you didn't brush your teeth, if you didn't get your teeth cleaned, disease develops. So, everything from wounds and abscesses, pus and tartar, all of the horrible things that you can imagine that happens.
And when they can't tell you, it's not like they can be like, hey, I have a sore in my mouth, or this is happening, this is happening.
So let's address a little bit what you guys do at Good Samaritan. What do you guys do there?
So we offer surgery and dental care procedures, and that's all we do. So we limit the scope of what we provide so that we can get the prices really low, affordable for the typical owner, who it's hard. These things tend to be very expensive, and so we really want to make it affordable and straightforward for our clients.
And what would you say is the reason behind this unique clinic?
Yeah, so dentals, surgeries, they tend to be expensive, and owners are left with decisions that are impossible to make. So, where they're surrendered to a shelter because they can't afford their care, or they're euthanized because they can't provide a life-saving surgery. And so we want a solution to that. So we're providing an option for owners to save their pets' lives and to keep them happy and healthy in their homes.
Well, in this particular case, that dog was getting his teeth brushed. But how are you able to provide these low rates? Is it you're streamlining the services and, like you said, limiting the scope?
Right. So I really like to make clear that we're not cutting corners. We're not doing a chop shop in the back room. This is high quality surgery. We use the very best of techniques and medications and supplies, but we don't offer anything else. We don't offer vaccines or wellness checks or diagnostic work that a typical clinic is going to be offering. And so that way we can limit the scope, we can limit our overhead, and pass that savings on to the client for these specific surgeries.
What are we looking at right here?
So this is a before and after. So you can see on that first picture there's tartar and yellowed plaque disease, and we can clean that all off. It looks like this one there was an extraction, so you can see the stitches in the second picture where one of those diseased teeth were removed.
And how about here?
Yeah, so this is a tumor. So we see all sorts of surprise tumors and masses.
Top right.
Oh, ow, poor dog.
We can take those off, send them in, provide treatment, and give them some pain relief is really a big part of taking those out. Oh, look at this one.
What's this
Oh
one?
my gosh.
So we refer to these as the trench mouths. So it's tartar and disease.
There's so much.
Right, and so
Gunk on there.
oftentimes when it's progressed this far, the only cure is to actually remove those teeth. So we can surgically remove those, segment them out, and stitch it all back up.
Right.
This is an abscess.
Oh, you can see it. And so what do you do for an
poor
abscess? Well, of course the dog goes down, right? You put the dog to sleep.
Right. They're completely asleep. They don't. We can tell them that we're doing this in their best interest, but they don't necessarily trust us. So it's best when they're sleeping.
So how can pet parents keep their teeth healthy at home? So we can prevent stuff like this from happening.
Absolutely. So the thing that we want to do is prevent. We can fix problems after they develop, sure, but we want to keep it from ever happening. So brushing regularly. There's dental diets, so crunchier foods that will help break off some of that tartar. And then getting them in for regular cleanings. So every 6 months, every year. Sometimes on those bigger dogs, you could go every couple years, but getting them in regularly to get the tartar scaled off and exams done.
Well, you brought in this special offer because
Many special offers.
Right,
We're excited.
Yeah, multiple special offers. But really, people can shop around for pricing, and this is a great way to start. The special offers here. You want to run through these real quick?
Yeah. So this next month in February is our dental health month. So this is the biggest month of the year. So we've got all sorts of fun things. So they're getting free nail trims. Every patient with their dental cleaning that month. Everyone that comes into our clinic that month will be entered into a raffle for free movie and dinner, movie tickets and dinner.
That's nice.
Yeah, so it's kind of a fun one. We've got a coloring contest going on. We're going to invite one of the winners in for a doctor.
Okay, is that just for the kids? Because I know Kelly loves the
I like to
There
color.
isn't an age limit. We specifically
good.
did that, so we'll see what kind of interest we get.
Some great specials all month long in the month of February. Good Samaritan Pet Doctor. GoodSamPetDoc.com is a website you can go to.
Thanks for all the work that
Doctor,
you're
thanks
doing.
for coming in.
Those
Yeah,
pets.
it's good to see you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. And happy February is
Pet Dental Health
Month.
Month.
There you go.
Good to see you.
We'll
Guest in the morning.
celebrate